Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make the most perfect margarita. I promise you, this margarita tastes so good. Now you can use whatever tequila that you want to use, but 1942 is my favorite. You're going to place 1 cup of ice into your shaker. I got this shaker off Amazon. I will leave the link at the bottom in the descriptions. First, you're going to pour 1 shot of Grand Marnier into the mixer. And I just want to remind you that the mixer, once you pour everything in, is going to make 1 glass. So if you want to make 2, you're going to have to do this twice. Now you're going to add in 1 shot of simple syrup. I bought this simple syrup at the liquor store. You can sometimes get it at a supermarket too. Now you're going to get 2 limes. And 2 limes are basically going to make up about a shot of lime juice. You need to use fresh lime juice. Trust me, it's just going to come out way better. And if you don't have a lemon lime squeezer like this, I definitely recommend you to get one. You can get it at a local supermarket. Now you're going to pour in 2 shots of tequila into your shaker. I'm using 1942 because this is my favorite tequila, but you can use Patron or any other tequila brand. You're going to take your glass now and you're just going to place the lime around the rim of the glass so it makes it easier for your salt to stick to the glass. Now you're going to dip your glass into the salt. I got this salt out of the liquor store and I just got it just because honestly I prefer a sugar rim. So you can either just get salt and place it in on a plate or on a bowl or sugar and dip your glass on it. And now you're going to place 1 cup of ice into your cup. And now you're going to shake your mixer and you're going to make sure you give it a good shake and then you're going to pour it into your glass. This is how you make the perfect margarita. You can garnish the top of it with a slice of lime. And also just keep in mind that I made 2 drinks here, so I actually did everything twice to make 2 drinks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.